Hello class and welcome to week 2 of ACLT 053 online. For this week in ACLT 053, you will be composing your work after having done the work in English 101. So you will see a pattern that most of the work that you do in ACLT 053 will be completed during the weekend on Saturday by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that is because you do have to reflect on the work that you've done in English 101 in order to help you complete your work for ACLT 053. I don't think that I mentioned very clearly last week that in addition to the discussion board postings that you do for ACLT 053, you will also have to do a blog post which reflects wherein you get to reflect on what you're learning in English 101. So the blogs are listed here, but to find them, you'll find them on the navigation menu. You will see blog posts, and it's on the left-hand side on the navigation menu for Blackboard. Okay, and it goes by week. So last week there was a blog post for week 1, and this week you'll have a blog post for week 2. Just backtracking for week 1, and basically the posts will be very similar. What you will do at the end of each week is to compose a blog wherein you summarize the skills and strategies you've gained from the Lumen resources, the readings, the videos, and the discussions in English 101. And you want to focus and reflect on what you've learned. So here's an example. For instance, number 1, I used to think whatever you used to think, and now I think after reading. And for number 2, how do you connect with the materials in the assignment? Do you have any connection? Did it remind you of anything? Did you have an experience with it, a personal experience? And then you're going to, for number 3, what did you think about as you read? What did you wonder about? And of course, you are going to be organizing your paragraph, your topic into 2 to 3 paragraphs. Include at least 2 quotes or paraphrases from the sources, and use MLA citations and respond to other peers. So it's more of a reflection. Your blog post now will be more of a reflection on your learning throughout the English 101 course. Okay, so that's the blog, and for this week, if you go to the blogs for this week, you'll again see the very same thing. You're going to reflect on what you've learned for this week at the end of the week after going through the materials in English 101, so you'll be posting that on the blog posts. And also you have a discussion board post for ACLT 053, and I'm just going to go to that. That's your Tech Week 2 discussion post. And you're going to revisit the essential questions from the Tech Learning module in English 101. Does the structure of the internet itself amplify any issues such as sexism or bullying? And you'll answer the other questions as well. And of course, you want to organize your ideas into 2 to 3 paragraphs, use examples from the readings, and of course respond to your peers. So that's essentially what I'm looking for this week in ACLT 053. You may want to do the work in English 101 first, and at the end of the week, work on your ACLT 053 work. And if you didn't quite finish or start blog number 1, please do so. I will accept that as well. I hope this was helpful.